Vacation always feels too short, na? No matter how many days you spend at home with your family, with the people you love, it never feels enough. And today I'm leaving home once again, headed back to Russia to continue my MBBS journey. This moment feels so heavy. Managing goodbyes is the hardest. Was in such a flow I didn't even mention. Hey, I'm Ayush, a second year medical student at Kazan State Medical University, Russia. I'm currently in Bagdogra airport. I have my flight to Delhi and tomorrow to Kazan. Doesn't matter how old you are. When you are leaving home, parents will always treat you as a little kid, and it gets me a little emotional. Just landed in Delhi. Now we'll go for a hunt. Hotel. I landed in Delhi, and the next morning I have my flight to Kazan via Istanbul. It's around 12:30 a.m. and I left for the airport really quick. I have my flight at 6:30, but I don't trust myself to fall asleep. Not worth the risk. So yeah, going airport around 7 hours ahead. Every time I fly back, I think about why I started this journey. The dream that pushed me to Russia, sacrifices that my family made, and the version of me I'm still working to become. I just cleared my security, the checkpoint, immigration, and I bought something for myself from duty free. So I'm just headed towards the board. It's around 3:60 in the morning. So I'm clear and I'll just wait for my flight. Watch Netflix maybe. Drink coffee. Now actually I'm searching for a Haldiram because I want to buy some bhujiyas. I don't have any, but let's see if I find it. So luckily I found Haldiram, so I am happy that I'll be able to make myself some masala. Yay! So I bought myself bhujia. If you are curious, if you're coming to Delhi airport, you can come to this spot just where the gate is starting. A small stall for Haldiram bhujia. So you can buy bhujia, more bhujia, and no more weight issues. Travel hack 101. So मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने गेट की तरफ. And who says आप क्या बोलते हैं? You can't sweat in the AC. Look at me. Why is this gate so far? Holy shit. I am so tired right now. I can't even describe the level of tiredness I have. एक latte, tall. Nothing. Just going to board the plane. Finally, feels like eternity actually, but hell yeah. In my country, I guess. Going back to the pain, suffering of becoming a doctor. I'm not a big fan of window seat, but for some reason, every time I get a window seat, there's a goddamn wing outside me. So technically, I'm on a viewless window sheet for some reason. Tough life, huh? So we got so lucky that there is no one on the seat. We can comfortably spread our legs and rest in Indigo. Damn it. Lucky us. So my mood was worsened by this view, but now I'm happy. At least I'll be comfortable.
Sometimes people ask me, don't you feel lonely? Don't you miss home too much? And the truth is, yes, very much. Every lonely night, every moment away from home, it is all adding up to a story I'll proudly tell one day.
What's the point of this infotainment screen? It doesn't work. This is the infotainment screen. With the option to call the air hostess, lights, volume to what? So we are just done with the international transfers. It was so chaotic, like a lot of people, and there are more. Too many people. So Deep is already an international departure, so I just need to go and find him. I'm so done with my legs and I don't want to walk anymore. I just want to sit somewhere peacefully. Boarding gate C and D. वहीं पे खड़ा. अबे जो तू बोला बोर्डिंग गेट सी और डी लिखा हुआ वहीं पे खड़ा हूँ मैं. Who is here? आज करे लाइक दिस योर कार्ड. उसके लिए मना कर दिया था. एक बोतल हो जाएगा. This is what we want: baklava, some cake, some sort of yogurt, something, beans, croissant, and sweet something. And Deep here got something good. Do you have sauces? Cheese? Yep. a little bit of oregano, herbs. No herbs. Yeah. So I got myself pasta, one cherry tomato, some cheese, and I don't know what that is. It looks like suji, dry Turkish suji. कच्चे हैं पास्ता, कच्चे हैं पास्ता पर से।
तेरे से अच्छे नहीं बनाया?
मेरे से अच्छा कोई नहीं बना सकता।
समोसे खाए हैं?
है समोसे?
समोसे लेके आया हूँ।
छोटे वाले?
हाँ।
नहीं रहने देना।
रूसिया लगता है या रूसिया। मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये फ्लाइट में दिक्कत ना दे वो।
ड्यूटी फ्री का मतलब ही होता है ना कि भाई कहीं भी जा रहे हो तुम, टैक्स फ्री है।
टैक्स फ्री नहीं है भाई, वेट फ्री है, टैक्स तो लगता है।
अलग टैक्स लगता है। उनका एयरपोर्ट प्राइस लिख के आता है, बट जो गवर्नमेंट टैक्स लगती है वो नहीं लगता है। ऐसे दारू वाला सस्ती पड़ती है।
दारू सस्ती पड़ती है एयरपोर्ट पे?
बहुत ज़्यादा। So we're leaving the lounge because we got only the 4-hour access. Because I had an extra guest that is deep with me. So I have to leave, huh? सैयारा तू नहीं है किस हुआ है भाई क्या दिमाग खराब किया इस गाने ने मेरा। So if you are feeling hungry, right, and you don't have an international debit card or credit card, and you are traveling via Turkish Airlines, all you need to do is come to the gate number F1, near the gate number F1 to F19. On that area, you'll see there's an elevator down here. You need to go to that area and talk to the representative and ask them for a food pass or a food coupon. They'll provide you a food coupon and you can eat on the food court based on that, what do you call it, pre-planned meal. You're allowed on that coupon. So yeah, if you don't have any card, it is completely free. They don't charge you for that. So yeah, best of luck. But the problem is, if you have any other connecting flight, it must be Turkish Airlines only to enjoy that. So you'll receive some sort of this kind of a food pass. This is my name. So you can go to the food court and claim it and enjoy a meal. So yeah, that is क्या बोलते हैं उसको, travel hack. Follow for a mover. Yeah.
Your attention please. This is the final call for all passengers traveling on TK8122 Amman. Please.
Same story, different day. Again, the same thing. Got ham wings each and every night. So I can me, I guess.
Üzerlerinde taşıdıkları değeri 10.000 Amerikan dolarını aşan döviz ve tüm değerli varlıklarını
Это Казанский государственный, Казанский airport. Это, сука.
वॉलेट मिल गया भाई.
Это индусский студент. We landed early morning, around 6:30, and I had my night class today, so I came to class. This is our night building. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe too. See you soon in the next one. Jai Hind.